Will be a spacious living and dining area. Your kitchen space where you will be getting over here is the space of your larger master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Breeze 91 by Kaustubh Group located in Borivali West. As you can see, we are standing at the sales office of the project and we will be getting into all details of this project. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you run a query, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.5 acres that will have one tower of ground plus 29 story, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, banquet hall, ecotech, 9,000 square feet of garden, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located off Link Road opposite MHP ground, Borivali West, from where Borivali metro station is only at a distance of 1 minute, Borivali railway station is only at a distance of 1.5 kilometers, Gorai beach is only at a distance of 5 minutes, malls and shopping center is only at a distance of 1 kilometer, and you have school, colleges, hospital only at a distance of 500 meters from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we are standing outside the 2 BHK of the residential project Breeze 91. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 788 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder is providing. First, as we enter, this will be a spacious living and dining area. You can see your living is very spacious to place your sofa, center table and to customize your TV unit. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. And in the living, you will be getting full French windows with a 30 square feet balcony. And over here will be a dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your family. Moving forward, this over here is your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms and common washroom. But before that, on this side, we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets in the kitchen. You also have space provided to place your refrigerator, and you will also be getting a dry area attached to the kitchen. And diagonally opposite to the kitchen, we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, all the bedrooms will be master bedrooms, but since this is a sample flat, the attached washroom is not designed in this bedroom, but this will come as a master bedroom that you can see is very spacious to place your beds, side table and to customize your wardrobe. You will also be getting half French windows with glass facades to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. And now let's move to the largest master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you have a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy. And this over here is the space of your larger master bedroom that you can see is very spacious to place a king size bed, side tables. You can customize your wardrobe. You can also make a seating corner if you want. And you will be getting half French windows with glass facades to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. And in this corner, we have your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Breeze 91. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Breeze 91 by Kaustubh Group located in Borivali West.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.